Welcome to my channel, Improve Your GK. Quiz time about African continent, Part 1. Let's get started.
1. Which nation in Africa has the largest land area? A. Algeria. B. Egypt. C. Nigeria. D. Sudan. The correct answer is A. Algeria. 2. What is the longest river in Africa? A. Congo. B. Niger. C. Nile. D. Zambezi. The correct answer is C. Nile. 3. Which desert is located in North Africa? A. Namib. B. Sahara. C. Kalahari. D. Atacama. The correct answer is B. Sahara. 4. What is the highest mountain in Africa? A. Mount Kilimanjaro. B. Mount Kenya. C. Mount Elgon. D. Mount Atlas. The correct answer is A. Mount Kilimanjaro. 5. Which African country is known as the Rainbow Nation? A. Egypt. B. Nigeria. C. South Africa. D. Kenya. The correct answer is C. South Africa. 6. Which African city is often referred to as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean? A. Cape Town. B. Nairobi. C. Lagos. D. Zanzibar City. The correct answer is D. Zanzibar City. 7. Which African country is the world's largest producer of cocoa? A. Ghana. B. Ivory Coast. C. Nigeria. D. Cameroon. The correct answer is B. Ivory Coast. 8. Which African river is known for its annual wildebeest migration? A. Niger River. B. Zambezi River. C. Congo River. D. Mara River. The correct answer is D. Mara River. 9. What is the official language of Rwanda? A. Swahili. B. Kinyarwanda. C. French. D. English. The correct answer is B. Kinyarwanda. 11. Which African nation was formerly known as Abyssinia? A. Eritrea. B. Sudan. C. Ethiopia. D. Djibouti. The correct answer is C. Ethiopia. 12. What is the largest lake in Africa by surface area? A. Lake Victoria. B. Lake Tanganyika. C. Lake Malawi. D. Lake Chad. The correct answer is A. Lake Victoria. 13. Which African country is famous for its ancient rock-hewn churches in Lalibela? A. Kenya. B. Ethiopia. C. Tanzania. D. Uganda. The correct answer is B. Ethiopia. 14. Which African country is known as the land of 1,000 hills? A. Uganda. B. Rwanda. C. Kenya. D. Burundi. The correct answer is B. Rwanda. 15. What is the currency of Egypt? A. Dinar. B. Pound. C. Peso. D. Shilling. The correct answer is B. Pound.